What's up, guys? Today we are making these air fried meatballs in like a garlicky gravy. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start by taking our ground turkey and then our dry seasonings for the ground turkey, and we're just gonna mix all of those in. I'll have those all listed on the recipe, but we're just gonna mix all of that up until it's fully combined. And while we're doing this, you're gonna preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. After that, we're just gonna take the meatballs and we're just gonna form them into small little balls about this size, and it should make about 16 meatballs. While that's happening, we're going to heat up a skillet with some butter, and then once the butter is all melted, this is on medium high, we're gonna add in our flour, mix that around, and then we're going to add in our broth and then our minced garlic. Let that sit and cook for about 5 minutes on its own, and then we're going to add in the rest of our dry seasonings, and we're going to let that sit and simmer for about 10 minutes. Your air fryer should be done at this point, and so we're going to put our meatballs in there and we're going to cook them at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until they reach an internal temperature of 165. Just double check. After your meatballs are done cooking, your gravy is going to look all thick and nice like this, and we're just going to re-add the meatballs into the mixture, mix them around so they really get all sauced up, and that's it. Want apple tea? I mean, it definitely tastes healthy. It's very healthy. That's good.